Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Freaks HQ. I picked up a couple packs from Myers today. I'm on my way home from work, and all they have is Dark Explorer. I know you guys see me open like probably like 20, 25 of them, but they're all single packs, so you never know what you're gonna get. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening these. Trying to keep it down. It's pretty late at night. Hoping for some EXs, maybe another Darkrai. And if you guys want these, like I said, I got thousands of them. Let me know. Just leave me a message or a comment. Check out the other videos, like, subscribe, and I'll do the same. Let's see if we can get this. Reverse Scraggy, and then Crovine. So hope we get something good. Remember, any cards you guys want to see, I haven't been able to get any different ones. In my last video I had a couple different ones, but there's nothing really big in them. It's not focusing. There you go. EDV, Clink, Light, Slowpoke, Sandell, so Professor Juniper, Reverse Shelmet, and then the Evolve form. Yeah, half of these cards I can't pronounce, my fault. Oh well. At least you guys can see them. You guys read them yourself. So far, nothing. I do sell, I do trade. Just leave me a comment or write me a message. Get into the contest. So far, only 5 people are in it, so everybody has a good chance. Versus Plusle, then who cares? I had some pretty good luck in a few of them. I got the Groudon, I got Darkrai, Raikou, Reverse, and Full Art, but well, nothing yet. They point out that's actually cool. And Clink. I already have this one. I have like thousands of them. So last pack, nothing good. Usually the best is the last, anyways. I have a whole box coming sometime tomorrow or Saturday, so stay tuned for that. I forgot what it was. Another Vaporeon, that's pretty dope. Oh, Leafeon Reverse, that's pretty sweet. And then Volcarion or Caria. I already have like 3 of these. I don't have this one. That's pretty sweet. Both rares. Like I said, I do sell, trade. If you see anything you like, let me know. If you guys want these online cards, just shoot me a comment. Check out the contest. It's gonna be on for a while, so stay tuned. I have two boxes coming, and hopefully I can get some other single packs. Or if you guys have any extras you want to send me, just ask for the address and hook me up. Help me help you. Alright, so stay tuned. 5 fucking packs.